What's up everybody, welcome back to another Minecraft tutorial. Today we'll be covering the basic controls, the interface, mining, dimensions, and combat. This is the first tutorial in my Minecraft Basics series where I'll be covering everything that you need to know to learn the fundamental concepts of Minecraft. Minecraft can seem overwhelming when getting started, with so many blocks, biomes, creatures, and items. However, the fundamentals of Minecraft are really simple to learn. This tutorial will be focusing on the Minecraft Bedrock Edition, which includes the versions on Xbox One, PlayStation 4, mobile, Nintendo Switch, and Windows 10. So, what is Minecraft? Minecraft was originally released in 2009 by Markus Persson, commonly known as his in-game persona Notch. The original game looked a lot different than it does now. There was no survival, no mobs, there was only 2 blocks in the game, dirt and stone, and there was no natural terrain generation. Minecraft was originally released on mobile devices in 2011, but gained mass popularity through the release of Minecraft Pocket Edition Beta in 2014. With the availability of Minecraft on multiple different devices, controls for Minecraft became ever more diverse. Depending on which device you are using, the controls that you use to play Minecraft could be drastically different. Because of the vast amount of devices that you can play Minecraft on, I will not be covering the complete controls for each device/console. However, for the devices I do not cover, you can find the controls at the link in the description. I will only be covering the controls for the Minecraft Windows 10 edition and mobile edition of Minecraft since they are the most popular iterations of the game. Controls on mobile devices are very intuitive to use, with the directional pad on the left side screen being the main way of navigating your Minecraft world. You can interact with the items in your hotbar, the bar at the bottom of the screen, by tapping on them. To get into your inventory, you can tap the 3 dots on the far right side of your hotbar. If you are playing on the Windows 10 version of the game, there are a few different ways to move around. To navigate forward, backward, left, and right, you can use the WASD keys on the left of your keyboard. Alternatively, you can use the arrow keys on the right of the keyboard if they are more comfortable to you or if you are left-handed. To navigate the hotbar, you can either use the scroll wheel on your mouse if you have one, or you can use the number keys at the top of your keyboard. To attack and place blocks, you can use the left and right mouse click buttons. To enter your inventory, press the E key on your keyboard. For the controls I didn't mention and the controls for consoles, please refer to the link in the description. When entering your inventory for the first time, the interface can look quite intimidating. If you're playing the survival version of the game, on most devices your inventory will look like this. This is called the survival inventory, and there are a few main areas to know about. In the top half of the inventory, you'll see your character, and to the left and right of it, there are blank areas. In these areas, you can place armor, an elytra, or a shield. An elytra is pretty much the hang glider of Minecraft. You can use fireworks to propel yourself upwards. In the top right corner is a crafting area, which can be used for simple crafting. This is typically used to craft your first crafting table. The crafting table is useful for more complicated recipes. Depending on which device you are playing on the left side of the screen you may see a recipe book. This will allow you to tell if you have the materials to craft something and will automatically place the items in the right orientation in the crafting table. This is helpful because you don't have to memorize a recipe for anything that you want to craft. For example, a crafting table. The recipe goes in the crafting area. There are also blocks that you can interact with, such as chests, furnaces, anvils, and enchantment tables. To interact with these blocks, you just simply click on them with the place block button, or on mobile, you can just tap on them. This will bring up the block specific interface. For the furnace, the material that you want to smelt goes on the top, and the fuel goes on the bottom. For the crafting table, you just place the materials that you want to use in a specific orientation, and you craft them into the block that you want. For example, this arrow of instant healing requires 8 arrows and a lingering potion of healing. The chests are pretty straightforward. You just store the items that you want inside of them. For example, I have 64 raw chicken and a piece of coal. This is an example of the furnace being used, so we can place the coal on the bottom as fuel and the chicken in the top, and this will turn into cooked chicken. Here we have a shulker box. Shulker boxes are interesting because you can take the items in them anywhere by mining the shulker box. So I have a pickaxe right here, break the shulker box, we can carry it over here and place it down, and the item is still inside of it. This is useful for carrying items over longer distances. And now we can see that we have our cooked chicken in the furnace and it is done. Over here I have placed some redstone blocks. We won't be looking at these in today's tutorial, but we will in a future Minecraft Basics video. To find food in survival mode, you're going to want to get a sword or a bow and find some animals. Kill these animals and take their food and either cook it or eat it raw. The only food that you can't eat raw is raw chicken, because if you eat raw chicken, that will give you food poisoning. Well, it has a chance to give you food poisoning. There we go. Now we have food poisoning, and this will make you hungry, so it is always good to cook chicken before eating it. There are 3 dimensions in Minecraft: the overworld, the nether, which you can get to by building a nether portal out of 10 pieces of obsidian and lighting with a flint and steel, and the end dimension, which you can't build in creative mode, so here's a picture of an end portal lit up with 12 eyes of ender. Earlier you may have been wondering, how do I get the obsidian to make portals? And how do I get the flint and steel to light it? So to get the obsidian to make the portal, you're going to need to take water and pour it over a lava source block, such as this. To mine the obsidian, you're going to need a diamond pickaxe. Mining obsidian does take a while, so it's going to take quite a bit of time to get 10 pieces of obsidian. To get the flint and steel to light the portal, you're going to need to get flint for breaking gravel, there we go, we got a piece of flint, and you're going to need 1 piece of iron. Go into a crafting table or your inventory and place them in any formation. This will give you a piece of flint and steel. I'm just going to break this portal right here to show you how to light a portal. So we're going to mine 1 piece of obsidian inside the portal. This will smash the portal frame. There we go. Now we have a unlit portal. We can just right click on any block inside the portal, even these ones up here, to light the portal. Now we can go through into the nether. I'm not going to go through into the nether today because I'm going to save that for another tutorial. That winds up today's episode of Minecraft Basics. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.